Okay, we got all our parts. Alright, just put this together. Put the pistons in it, assembled it. It's got a spring, a clip, a cup. Right there, you can see it. New brake bands. We got the new bearing. We've got the new actuator. You know, parts aren't cheap. Parts aren't cheap. Richard's got it all cleaned up, sanded down, and we're gonna start reassembling right now. Okay, here we are putting this fucking thing back together. The winch finally. Brake band 1 is on, and brake band 2 is in. See this right here? They had tried to fix this once, right? But they tried to just torque this down with them ears, and then they snapped it because you can't get it right. We put a plate on top here, and we're just going to draw it down slowly with the plate, with the threaded rod, and then we'll take a demo saw and cut that shit off, and then we won't break it while we're doing it. So that's how you do that. Don't tell us we never told you nothing, because that's pretty good info. 518 cat. So as you can see, the apparatus. We'll tighten this up. That will press directly center and push it down straight, which will line this hole up, and we can put that pin in to here, which also goes in the cast, and we can put another pin in after the fact. Okay, we got new brake bands in. We got the new rod in. We got the new actuator in. That's how we put it down. The last guys, they snapped the ears off because they're idiots. But not us. And we've got to put the bearing on, and then we've got to put our seal, rotary seal, and then our line, and then our 90, and then hook our lines up. And then we've got the new actuator up in here. Put that on, replumb that, put the new emergency brake in, and then we got to get the U-joint here, and we're in business. We are in business. Oh, we just got the bearings seated on. We got the dog bone in, another dog bone in, the actuator on, pressed in. Everything's coming together. Now we're just cleaning up some seals for this rotary seal. Clean it all up, and then we'll put it all back together. All right, here's where we are. She is 90% back together. Mad Dog's gonna put the new master in it. We've got everything else. Everything else is in her. Bearings are in. New lines are in. Rotary seal bearing is in. The main bearing is in. Brake, what are they called? I always forget. Not brake shoes, but I always forget. I don't know why, but we'll call them the brake shoes. Brake shoes
brake bands
are in. Brake bands, right? Brake bands are in. Clutch bands are in. The new apparatus, I'll call it. Those are called dog bones. That's a dog bone. That's a pin. Yeah, you have to put there's 2 pistons you put in there with a spring on top, a spring in the middle, a seal on each side, and then brake fluid goes through there, pushes the lever down, and it puts enough pressure to push that down or let it up. I think it lets it up, to be honest with you. Either way, push it down or let it up, and then it makes these bands close up, and that's that. But yeah, she's put back together. It's a done deal. Here it is, ladies and gents. All new parts. Now we'll see if she's gonna work. That's the next one. Should. Gearomatic rebuild complete. It's a proud moment, let me tell you. They're all back together.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have that small bar?
Small bar coming up.
Thank you.
Swapping her out quick. But she's back together. Oh yeah. You got the lights up. What's he up to? Get over your shoulder, guy. New emergency brake in. New master in for the winch. We got the winch all put back together. Ready to go. Gotta put the rest of the bolts in her. And that's about it. It's gonna be ready for test. Ready for testing.